அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அகவல் English translation by Swami Sarvanananda of Dindukkal. அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அகவல் lines 71 to 72. சாக்கிராதீத தனிவெளியாய் நிறைவாக்கிய சிற்சபை அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி. We all know by experience all the three waking, dreaming and sleeping stages. Only in the wakeful life everything can be practically experienced. This is said to be the conscious state of Jagrat and Shuruti. Between these two is dreaming state. This is Swapana or Kanavu. This is neither conscious or unconscious state, but this is called subconscious state. When a man is dreaming, his physical sense organs are functioning directly. The mental thoughts or imaginations or old subconscious ideas are coming to mind's screen for internal visualization. In some cases, the subconscious mind works wonderfully as parapsychic powers. In somnambulism, without aware of oneself, a man walks. This is also the work of subconscious mind. Above the three stages of mind, the fourth stage is developed as the superconscious state. In this state, the mind is controlled and the work of the sensuous organ is subdued, but the consciousness only is projecting over those mental states. By this superconscious mind, occult power is developed very much to perform many miraculous deeds. One should not desire to acquire all these powers from this state. The truth of divine soul and power must make the man godly. In the fourth state of mind, it is kept vigilant internally. There the soul temple must be induced to the superconscious mind. The soul light is kept aglow in the center of the head. This light is to be held fast in the final stage. We lose our ego self and become the light itself. This is the fifth stage of the state of Turiya Adida. The divine light of superconscious state becomes our eternal abode. From this superconscious state, we have to wake up and live in this world to spread the life of gracious bliss. Here, the superconscious state is called Sakiradidam. This is the contraction of Sakiram plus Turiyadidam. Now, our Sirchabai is experienced to have been filled with supreme space of Sakiradidam, or it may be put as super wakeful state. From the Sirchabai or the divine knowledge itself, the supraconscious wakeful state of life is developed and pervades our whole being. This development takes place simultaneously as the light of grace increases from the divine plane, while illusive darkness of the lower plane decreases. Finally, the divine light completely fills, dispelling the darkness, decay and death of the surrounding body. Only by rendering merciful service to the fellow people, the power of the superconscious plane will come down to fill all the lower planes in the wakeful life. It will be impossible to immortalize the bodily being by any other means. In the integral yoga process, by the supramental power of the higher plane, efforts were made to bring down immortalization to the physical bodily plane. The immortality will not so easily be achieved, but by living the gracious life from that super wakeful Sakyaradida state. Our Vallalar praises Arutperum that made him immortalized by filling the whole being with the space of gracious light from Sitchabai, the soul temple. By the process of Suddha Shanmarga, one reaches the higher space. First, and from there, he extends his compassionate love to everybody in the daily life. This becomes the Sakyaradida life, which will develop into the final immortalized blessed life. Arutperum Jodi, Arutperum Jodi. Kanipperum Karunai Arutperum Jodi.